Email verification failed on Cash App fix. If your Cash App account isn't verifying your email, most people get this wrong by assuming it's a technical glitch. The surprising truth is that the problem often lies in email filters, typos, or outdated information. The good news is, it's easy to fix if you follow the right steps. Step 1. Check every folder in your email account, including spam, junk, and promotions. Cash App verification emails are frequently filtered automatically, so thorough checking is essential. Step 2. Confirm that the email address registered in Cash App is correct. A minor typo can prevent the verification email from arriving. If needed, update your email and request a new verification link. Step 3. Add separate Cash App to your email contacts or save sender list. This prevents future emails from being blocked or sent to spam. Step 4. Request a new verification email directly from the Cash App. Avoid multiple rapid requests, as this can temporarily block your verification process. Finally, once your email is verified, consider enabling two-factor authentication. This protects your account and ensures that all notifications are delivered securely. By following these steps, you can quickly resolve email verification issues on Cash App, giving you full access to sending, receiving, and managing your funds safely. Email management and accurate account information are key to a seamless experience.